favorite days, cutting day at the shop. Brought a lot of stuff. We ain't gonna cut it all, but I brought a lot of stuff. I have this amazing piece of coral, and it's almost sacrilegious to cut it, but I want to cut it right down that middle because I think it's just going to be gorgeous. So let's see if I can get it fit on the saw right. If I can, then we'll cut it. If I can't, then I'm not gonna, because it's just too pretty otherwise. Alright, so let's see how this coral turned out. I'm mildly nervous because it was so pretty to start with, and I might have ruined it, but let's see. Pretty plain. We've got a couple saw marks. We've got a circuit breaker that keeps tripping here because we got too many people working. But these saw marks I'm gonna have to work out. That'll polish up. It'll at least fluoresce really cool. We'll get the other side out, take a look at it. All right, so here's our coral. Pretty plain on the inside, unfortunately. I still think it'll polish up and fluoresce. Be a really cool piece. But yeah, I'll have to get all these saw marks out now. But yeah, so there's our coral. And here's the piece we got from Crater of Diamonds. This is chalcedony. And it looks like it's gonna show some banding in there. So, really pretty on this side. We're gonna give this some cuts and just see what's inside of it. Okay, so let's take a look at our chalcedony, our agate from Crater of Diamonds State Park. So this is the little piece that we just cut off. Really cool little banding. See the layering in there. And I think that's real pretty. And then we've got this end piece, which I really like. I think that's so cool. Love that layering in there. And then the main other side of the pie. Again, just real pretty. Got a little agate pocket with some banding right there as well. Take it up close. Some plume that all together kind of makes some banding in there. Gives this little arrow effect. It's a neat little piece. One of my last big pieces from my trip to Kentucky is a big agate nodule. You can see a lot of the eyes on here, which I think are going to be really cool once we get it cut. A lot of orange, and we'll see. These can always be interesting. Very hit or miss. It took me a quick minute to get this thing lined up. I had to use a lot of different wood, prop it on top, below, underneath, etc. in order to keep it where it won't move. But I got it where I can get a clean face. All right, let's see how our big Kentucky guy with the eyes turned out. Man, that sounds weird, doesn't it? That's pretty. Look at all that orange trail. Look at all those orange tubes. Let's check out our big orange nodule from Kentucky. All right, this is one with all the eyes on it right here. And it came out really cool looking. Very pretty little geodes. So just the top part is really cool. And I'm glad I cut it where I did, because this is pretty interesting. We've got just some gorgeous agate eyes all throughout. And a little crystal pocket geode. So we can get a little better sunlight on here. We've got great little orange terminations that go back through there. And we've got another one right there. Another one up there. And then we've got some of this reddish pink agate up in this corner right here. Very cool piece. You can polish this up, this will be neat. That'll be a cool little display piece, just like that. So I am so pumped I actually got this Kentucky agate to fit in the saw vise. I've been trying to figure out a way to do this for 6 months now, literally. But I got it to fit. I'm gonna cut it straight in half, long ways, the way I wanted to. I did not want to come across it and slab it. These things can look so cool. Cannot wait to see how this looks when we get this cut. Sunlight. All right, so here's our Kentucky agate, all cut. Ready? Oh, look at that. That is so colorful. There we go. There's a good focus. Look at all of that banding. Man, that is so detailed. Phenomenal banding all throughout. Even with the fractures in here, this is going to make a stunning polished pear. Man, that is so pretty. How cool is that? Alright, next guy we're going to load into the saw is this West Texas agate nodule. No idea what's in this thing, but these can hold some amazing banding and colors. So let's cut it and find out. Here's our West Texas nodule, and look at the saginite. Look at that saginite spray. So pretty. Way cool. Get that polished up, it'll be cool. Like I said, I wish it was more agatized all the way through, but the sections that are really pretty. And here I've got this Montana agate. I don't know if it's a limb cast or what it is exactly. It's not really giving away any hints, but we're just gonna slab into it, see what we got. All right, let's check out our mystery Montana agate. Ooh, a lot of moss. Look at that moss. Oh, how pretty is that? Here's our Montana slab. How pretty. Oh, that's gonna be so cool, capped up and polished. I think I have time to squeeze this little guy in. Little Brazilian nodule. Can't tell what's going on with it other than we got a little carnelian, little quartz showing down here, but let's cut it in half, see what we got. All right, last pull of the day. Didn't get all I wanted to get done, but that's all right. Let's check out our little Brazilian. Ooh. Man, that is such a pretty rock. Beautiful floater. One tiny fracture down here in the corner, but that's it. What a pretty pair. That is a beautiful, classic Brazilian agate pair right there. Beautiful floaters. Beautiful banding. Really nice detail. That's a great way to end the day right there. Man, I love cutting day, and I've got another video coming up very shortly. I've already done another session, be putting that together and putting it out soon. Don't forget, I'm heading in September to Montana to do rock hounding on the Yellowstone River for 4 days, and also to Teepee Canyon. I think I'm going to make a stop on my way back. So more content coming on the channel. Thanks for watching. I hope you're subscribed. Leave a like if you can. It helps the channel. I appreciate it greatly. Thanks for watching.